Hi there and welcome to Yarnspirations.com. In this video we're going to talk about safety eyes. Now safety eyes are these two-part pieces. Then they come in all different sizes and some different shapes, but the idea is to use them on amigurumi and other soft toys so that when they are put in the knit or crochet fabric, they are very, very sturdy and they're almost impossible to get out. And that's why they're called safety eyes, because if they can't come off the item, they cannot pose a choking hazard. So let's take a look at applying these properly. So the first thing I want to do is find the area where the round joins are. Particularly for single crochet, as you know, there tends to be a slight torque or spiral where the round joins are. So most of us want that to be the back of our critter and not the front. So we're going to put that in the back. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these little washers down so I don't lose them. Now until you put the washer in, it's completely reasonable to put these in, take them out, put these in, take them out. So since the bulk of the time that we're using safety eyes, we're putting them on knit or crochet fabric that is very tightly stitched so stuffing doesn't come out. You want to try and get the point of this in a stitch, right in a hole. So I've got him there and I like that. Now if you look at Mr. Ice Cream Cone over here, and you can see that to sort of get that adorable look, you want to space the eyes pretty wide apart. So you can count if you want to. We spaced ours 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches apart, so you can count if you want to. But you don't have to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put this way over here. One thing I do want to do though is try and get them in the same row. I want to try and get both eyes in the same row just to make sure that they're level. And say, for example, I didn't like that. I decided they were too far apart or too close together. At this point, it's fine to take them out, move one over. So adjust, keep adjusting until you have them exactly where you want them to be. I am going to put him back though, because I kind of liked it over there. All right, so at that point, when I turn it over, I want to make sure that I keep my fingers on the eyeball part to make sure that they don't come out. So next I'm going to grab my washer. And you see how there's a flat side and a curved side? I want the flat side toward the fabric. So I'm going to line up the hole and I'm going to press really hard and get these little guys on there. I think I need to put another finger under there. There we go. Now they're going. So you want to keep pressure on both sides and push it down as tight as you can. Right, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Flat side toward, and then I'm going to push, 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 and they're going to lock into place. Once I have those washers under the top row of the eyeball to make sure I have it where I want to have it, I'm going to need to put it against a flat surface like a table. And I'm going to push down really hard with both fingers, and sometimes you can hear it click. Let's see if it'll go. There it is. You heard the click? The click means that it is tightening away up. See how the washer is up tight against the fabric? So now that you know how to put safety eyes on your toys are actually childproof. Now I know some grown-ups that like to have toys with little eyes looking back at them, but this will make them safe for children. Thank you so much for joining us here on Yarnspirations.com. We look forward to seeing you again soon.